This video contains information on how to visualize drone information in the aqua3S platform. This is the video tutorial for the UAV drone tool of aqua3S platform that has been developed by CERTH. aqua3S ingests, analyses, and visualizes images from UAV flights. Drone flights are uploaded to an CERTH server, including the UAV recording and the accompanying metadata, following a specific naming convention that includes the timestamp of the flight. As soon as the platform detects a new UAV flight, the UAV analysis module is invoked that performs visual analysis on individual frames in order to detect objects such as humans or vehicles near water resources. Before moving to the presentation of UAV data, we present the functionalities of the map itself and of specific tools integrated into the map that are common for all the data available in the map. Thus, apart from visualizing the aforementioned data, the map itself provides some basic functionality like the zoom in and zoom out. It also has two basic modes that users can select regarding the display of the map: the satellite and the street mode. Moreover, the user can change the orientation of the map, can move to another region of the map. On the left part of map, there is the menu panel, which is organized based on the categories and subcategories of the available data. That contains filters with toggle buttons so users can set the visibility of the data. On the bottom part of the menu, there is the simulation functionality tool that allows the user to select a period in the past for filtering and returning historical data, or the user may also select to get all available flights. Now, moving to the visualization of waves on the map. When we try to open them, we cannot see the drones because currently are not available. So we need to go to the simulation and select the period where we have some data. Now we can submit after selecting the time period and we can get specific dates. Or we can show all drone flights. Now, moving to the visualization of waves on the map, data from waves are visualized in two different map entities. Specifically, the identified objects are visualized on the map as markers with a unique color and an icon of a UAV, and the UAV flights are shown as line layers. Users may left-click on the line layers to bring up an info window on the right side of the screen with information. Such as the coordinates of the point of click on the map layer, the beginning point of the UAV's route, the timestamp of the data, and the video of the entire flight. When hovering over the UAV markers, a pop-up window appears above that contains an image of the identified object, a short description of the object and the metric confidence. That is a score indicating the detection confidence of the specific object into the image. Thanks for watching.